Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Fallen Order. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used figures from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. We've got Cal Kestis and a Nightbrother warrior. I wanted to recreate the planet of Dathomir for this shot, but I didn't have a suitable ground surface. The good news is, if you don't want to see the ground in your photos, you don't have to. All you need to do is prop your figures up high enough that you can situate your lens low enough that you don't even see the ground. I used cinder blocks and figure stands to place my figures higher than usual, and then situated my tripod so that it was level with my ground surface. After my figures were situated, I turned on my background TV and placed these rocks in the foreground to cover up the Nightbrother's figure stand. To complete the scene, I used this single blue LED to cast some lightsaber glow on my subject and turned on this funky special effects light bulb. Time to shoot! I wanted to do some light painting and spray in some atmosphere while the shutter was open, but because I only have so many hands, I had to take two separate exposures to accomplish this. Here's my base image. My first step in the editing process was to combine it with my second exposure using layer masking to get the lighting just right. Next, I used the pen tool and layer effects to draw in the lightsaber blade, and then used a variety of tools to edit out the figure stand in the background. After that, I edited out all the articulation joints on the figures. Following that, I added some adjustment layers and then used some custom brushes to add special effects. This ember texture allowed me to add some charred flesh to the hand stumps. I've been experimenting with Photoshop techniques to add some motion to lightsaber blades, but so far I haven't found a convincing way to pull it off. If you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them in the comments. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.